Hey there guys, Matt from Matt's Art Box, and in today we're going to do another coloring section, but we're going to do this. That's right, we got Vexx's newest coloring book, Creatopia, and we're going to color them with these Azure markers. Let's get started. Alright, first quick little overview of it. I don't want to, go through all the pictures and everything, If you want to see what's inside of it, go to Vexx, get it from him, or you can even find these in your local Walmart now. So it gives you a nice basic page here, so you can write who it belongs to. Let's see, and even here gives a little detail more about the book, even how to. Says if you're going to use any markers, put some paper behind it so it don't bleed through to the next page. It's got some of his artwork that he's done on his channels. Even some here that it actually tells you that you can complete it with your own doodles. I mean, it's got all sorts of different doodles and things in it. There's a lot of stuff to do. You can do pens, markers, paper. I mean, there's all sorts of stuff you can do in them. But in today's video, I want to do this one here. I've seen a lot of YouTubers already do it. I haven't seen anybody do this one yet. So, let's go ahead and get started.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't want to miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Make the most of this night. Come on, baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we don't want to do.
well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, drop a comment down below, and maybe I'll do another one out of this book. Maybe I'll do it in colored pencils. But I enjoyed it. I really like how the colors came out. Like I said, these were the Azure markers. I'm really happy with the colors that they provide. The only thing I don't particularly care for is that they have the hard nibs, not the brush type. But for coloring books, they're perfect. But yep, I really like how this one turned out. If you like what you saw, drop a like and a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. We try to do new videos about every 4 days. And if you have any ideas for any additional videos, just give a comment down below. And we'll see you next time.